Surprise! Hi Han, happy birthday! Ang hirap naman ng ganito. Dito na ako sa kotse para hindi mo ko marinig. So, Han, happy birthday! Gusto ko lang malaman mo na ikaw yung pinaka-espesyal na tao na binigay sa akin ng Panginoon. So, salamat sa buhay mo. You are a loving and hardworking wife. Thank you sa lahat ng mga ginagawa mo para sa amin ni Ethan. So, yun, salamat. I wish you, I'm praying for your good health and success sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. Thank you sa pag-aalaga mo sa amin at pag-aasikaso. Hindi man perfect ang ating family, but then we have God. And so again, Han, happy birthday. At bukod sa akin, may mga tao na nagmamahal sa iyo at mga taong importante sa iyo at itinuturing kang importante sa kanilang buhay. Kaya sinamahan nila ako to greet you and they wish you happy birthday. Eto sila.
Hello, Tere! Happy birthday! Ayan. Wish ko sa'yo, sana lahat ng dreams mo ay matupad. And alam mo, masaya and proud ako sa mga narating mo ngayon na OM ka na at mami na din. So, i-enjoy mo itong araw na to dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, Madam! Thank you so much sa support, sa love, sa understanding. I wish you good health. I love you.
Happy birthday, Boss Teresa. Wishing you all the happiest of all time. You are not just an incredible leader, but also truly an amazing friend to me. Thank you so much for the help, for the kindness. Your kindness and strength inspires me a lot. Thank you. You deserve joy and happiness in this world. I hope this year will bring you so much luck and success. Thank you so much. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ter.
Hello, OM Tere. Happy birthday. Mommy Ellen here. I wish you all the best. I wish you more blessing and happiness that you deserve because you are such a good person. I wish you more kids and blessings on your career. Thank you so much for being best supervisor. I cannot forget you because sa'yo ko na experience yung ma-surprise on my birthday. That's the very first time that I was able to experience it. And nakatatak na yun sa utak ko. So on your birthday, I wish that all of your wishes will come true and blessings from the Lord. And of course, best of health. Thank you so much for being part of my career in PSI. Happy birthday, OM.
Happy birthday, Boss Tere. Hope to see you soon. Catch up tayo minsan.
Hi, Madam Teresa. Happy birthday to you. I wish you all the best and I so miss you. Sana magkita na tayo. And enjoy your day. Bye!
Hi, Miss Teresa. I just want to say happy birthday. More birthdays to come. And I wish you have a wonderful birthday. And always remember to put God first in everything you do. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ma'am Teresa. Happy birthday po. God bless you and ingat po kayo palagi. Miss you.
Hi, Boss Teresa. Happy birthday. Biglaan tong request ni Boss Jerry so hindi na nakapagpaganda. Charing. I wish you good health, boss. And thank you so much sa lahat ng mga naituro mo sa akin. Yung learnings na yon, dala-dala ko pa sa lahat ng mga naging supervisor ko. Lagi kong sinasabi na isa ka sa pinaka mabait at mapagbigay na supervisor na nakilala ko. You're not just a supervisor, kundi friend as well. And alam ko naman na nabigay na ni Lord yung dinidesire ng puso mo. A good husband and a loving son. Wala na akong mahihilang pa kundi protection sa family mo. And of course, maging happy ang marriage ninyo ni Boss Jerry. O, sana tayo, boss. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday again!
Hi, Om Tere! Happy birthday po! Miss you! See you soon!
Hello po, happy birthday. So, ayun po, i-take ko na lang din po siguro yung pagkakataon OM na magpasalamat and sa mga naitulong mo sa akin. NCO days, marami akong natutunan sa'yo. Quality kita noon, hindi ko makakalimutan. Tatawagan mo ako sa station mo. Papakinggan natin yung call. Then ayun, magtatap ka sa likod ko and sabihin mo, what happened? So, ang dami mo, marami ka natulong sa akin and then naging TM ka. Marami din akong natutunan sa iyo as TM. In fact, kahit yung mga spills mo dati, pag mag-soft call ka, ginagamit ko pa rin hanggang ngayon. Kinukuha ko talaga yun kasi gusto ko talagang matuto. And ayun, hanggang ngayon ginagamit ko pa rin siya. So, wala talaga akong masabi OM kasi isa ka din talaga sa pinakamabait na taong nakilala ko dito sa TSI, sa NCO. So, wala po akong ibang hiling. Gusto ko talagang mag-wish ng happy birthday and more blessings po sa inyo and sa family mo. Deserve mo talaga po and ng maraming blessings. So, good health po, TOM, and God bless you always po. Happy birthday po ulit!
Hi Tere, I miss you. I just wanted to greet you a very happy birthday. I know you're happy right now. Ang wish ko na lang is good health and sana dagdagan mo pa ng isa yung anak mo. I hope makita tayo nila very soon. Love you!
Hello Ate Ter, happy birthday. Wishing you good health. Sana maging masaya and bless yung special day mo. Yun lang po, happy birthday.
Hello Ate Tere, happy birthday.
Hi Ate Tere, happy birthday. More blessings, happy family, and God's protection as always to you and to your whole family. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello te, happy birthday. Pagpasage tayo sa susunod sa Malnakwa. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. God bless you always. Love you.
Hello Titer, happy birthday. I wish you a year full of blessing and answered prayer, and keep being the loving mother to Ethan and a wonderful wife to Kuya Jerry. Enjoy your day and happy birthday.
Hello Ate Tere. Una-una sa lahat, pinabati kita ng happy birthday. Ang wish ko para sa iyo ay maging nalusog at ipagpatuloy lang ang pagiging mabait. Again, happy birthday and thank you sa lahat na binigay mong tulong. God bless.
Hello, I'm Teresa. I just want to wish you a happy birthday. Sending you my best wishes on your special day. And please enjoy your day with TM Jerry, of course. So, once again, happy birthday.
So, Tita Teresa, sana maging puno ng good vibes, pagmamahal at magagandang alaala ang bagong taon mo. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday, Tita! Birthday, Tita! Happy birthday, Tita!
Happy birthday!
Ate Tere, happy birthday sa'yo. Ayan, God bless you and I hope you enjoy your day hanggang mamayang 12. Happy birthday!
Hi po, Tita Teresa. Happy birthday po. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ata!
Hi po, Tita Teresa. Happy birthday po. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ata! Sorry hindi ako makapupunta sa birthday mo.
Happy birthday, Ate Teresa. We thank the Lord for your life. You are a blessing to people around you. That's why we pray that the Lord will continue to fill your days with love, with peace, with joy, and purpose. Whatever life throws you, always remember that you are loved, you are chosen, and covered by His grace.
Happy birthday again and we hope to see you soon.
Bye!
Hello, Ate Teresa. Long time no see. Na-miss ko kayo so much. It's been how many years na din pala, no? And, but I thank the Lord sa buhay po nyo, sa buhay nyo ni Kuya Jerry. You've been part ng journey ko nung nandyan pa ako sa Manila, sa Word of Hope. And I really thank the Lord na naging part po kayo ng aking buhay. Ate, happy birthday! Sorry medyo late, but I hope na patuloy mong maranasan yung grace and favor ng Lord sa buhay mo. And I know na yung buhay mo patuloy mong pinapagamit kay Lord. Sabi nga doon na God will reward yung ating pagpapagal sa Kanya. And nakita ko kung paano si Lord nag-answer ng mga heart's desires mo. And I'm praying na patuloy pang iparana sa iyo ng Lord yung Kanyang favor, yung Kanyang mga miracles. And ako, really, yung testimony ng buhay mo kung paano mo dinedicate yung life mo sa Lord. Super masaya kami nung time na nakasama ka namin sa church or been praying for you at saka sa inyo ni Kuya Jerry. So, and now nakita ko na ang Lord marami na siyang ginawa sa buhay mo, sa buhay ninyo ni Kuya Jerry, and may blessing na rin kayo, no? Meron na kayong child. So, I really thank the Lord and I'm praying na patuloy na si Lord gumawa ng maraming pang bagay, yung mga pinagpipray nyo sa family nyo, patuloy na tuparin ng Panginoon, and higit sa lahat, wag nyong kakalimutan lagi si Lord. Lagi kayong maglingkod sa Kanya, magtapat sa Kanya. We couldn't imagine, no, yung life na malayo tayo sa Panginoon. And I'm so happy na nagpapatuloy po kayo ni Kuya Jerry. Ate Teresa, I love you and I miss you. Kung loloobin ng Lord, kung kailan tayo magkita, I'm really looking forward. And God bless you po. And I'm praying na patuloy kang bigyan ng Lord ng strength, ng wisdom, ng favor. At patuloy kayong extend ng Lord yung inyong boundaries, yung inyong territory. I declare blessing upon blessing sa life mo. And gusto ko lang din i-share yung word ng Lord sa Psalms 112. Sabi dito, blessed is the man who fears the Lord, who finds great delight in His commands. His children will be mighty, or her children will be mighty in the land. The generation of the upright will be blessed, and wealth and riches are in her house, and her righteousness endures forever. So, you will shine brighter and brighter every day, and God bless you po. I love you, ate. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Ninang Tere. Love you po. God bless. Ingat po.
Happy birthday, Mars! God bless!
Happy birthday, Teresa! More birthdays to come. More blessings. Enjoy your day. I love you, anak. Happy birthday.
Hi, Manang! Maligayang pagtanda! Mabuhay!
Hi, Madam Teresa. Good morning kung anumang time zone mo for today. Happy birthday. Wishing you a life filled with happiness. May the Lord God bless you and keep you. And I always pray that you will become more closer to His purpose. I know hindi naman yan imposible sa iyo at kay PM Jerry because nakikita ko naman na sa pagsasama nyo or sa relationship nyo na God is always in the center of it. Diba? Well, isa kayo sa mga couples talaga na hinahangaan ko because I always see humility in you guys. So, yun lang. Wishing you again a life filled with happiness. Enjoy your day. Work-life balance lang tayo dyan, ha? Huwag masyadong, serious, focus. O siya, sige, yun lang. Happy birthday and God bless. Bye!
Hi Tere, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best pa rin naman kahit na hindi tayo masyadong nakakapag-usap sa office. You know that whenever you need me, need mo lang ng kausap, dito lang naman ako, just one chat away. I really hope that we can catch up soon. Hindi lang yung nagkikita tayo sa birthdays. So sana yung catch up talaga na nakapagkwentuhan ulit. Diba? You, Ethan, and Jerry. So again, happy birthday and God bless.
Hi Tere! Happy birthday! I hope we have many more to come.
I'm so happy to hear and seeing all your TikTok videos that you've been doing good. And ang laki-laki na ni Ethan. And gawa pa kayo isa pa. Malungkot pag isa lang yung anak nyo, lalo na pag nagbinata na si Ethan. Anyway, this is just a short video. I just want to let you know that I remember your birthday and that I appreciate Jerry reaching out to me for this simple greeting, and hope to see you soon, guys. Bisitahin niyo naman ako dito sa aking tindahan dito sa bahay. Okay? So, have a great one. Kisses to Ethan, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Bye!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Teresa.
More blessings to come.
God bless.
Hi Teresa, happy birthday, and I'm so not ready for my close-up right now. Sobrang haggard, pero dahil nagmamadali si Jerry, nagmamadali din ako, baka mamaya hindi ako mabot. Anyway, happy birthday, and I want to thank you for all your hard work sa office, sa work natin, and for the great improvement that you have shown. Sobrang gusto kong malaman mo na very apparent siya, na sobrang nakikita ko siya. And I want to let you know also that I'm always trying to look out for you. I'm just on the sidelines, cheering you on, wishing you all the success, all the wins, and of course, you reaching greater heights. So that's my wish for you. And then with the little talks that we have had, or messages that we have had sa teams, I know that you are working to be a very good mom and a very good wife, and I'm sure that you will be reaching that, and I hope that your hopes and desires in your heart will always align to God's will. So God bless you.
Hi Teresa, totoo ba ang chismis? Birthday mo daw? Of course, I wanted to greet you a very happy birthday, and I hope that you enjoy this special day of yours, full of gratitude, and may God continue to shower you with abundance, love, and full of patience. And of course, syempre, pinaka-importante sa lahat, may you have a very good state of health. Enjoy your day. Love you.
Hi Teresa! Surprise! Happy birthday, my inaanak. I wish that you get to relax and pamper yourself today, just like what you mentioned. You're planning on having a relaxing birthday. Deserve mo yan. And thank you also to Jerry for making sure that it happens on your very special day. I also wish you good health. Alam natin how important it is for us to be at the peak of our health palagi. Bawal magkasakit ang mga working moms. But I'm just really very thankful that, I get to work with you even more closely these past couple of years. And I'm just really very proud of where you are at right now, how much you have grown and matured as a leader, as a manager, and I really appreciate everything that you do for the team, for the company, and for our clients. Thank you so much. I hope that you will continue to be patient with all of us, and me also, pag nagiging demanding si Ninang. But, it's all part of the job. But personally, again, I wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you. May you continue to receive all the blessings that you so deserve. And I also pray that you and your family, Jerry and Ethan, will always be safe in His blessings. Again, happy birthday! Bye!
another year. It's your big day. Candles light up the party way. Smiles are shining, the crowd's alive. We're here for you, it's your time to thrive.